everybody. Today we're going to be making some Chinese sausage, bacon, fried rice. It's bomb. But it's keto, so it's not going to be rice, it's going to be cauliflower. Again! With cauliflower! Yeah! Okay, for our rice today, we're going to use cauliflower. And we're going to use this processor, this tiny processor, and we're going to process it up so we don't have to grate it. Put it in here. Set aside for later. And then chop and mince 4 cloves of garlic and half a bunch of green onions. The white ends in one end, and then I put the green end in the other container. And then we're gonna chop the bacon to like 1-inch pieces. Let's see how many I show you. I'm probably gonna do like 4 or 5 bacon. Put it in a little container. We're gonna cook these up first, and then we're gonna use the oil for the fat from it, and we're gonna cook up that cauliflower. Here's our Chinese sausages. I'm gonna use like 2 pieces, 2 links of Chinese sausage. There we go. Use 2 links. I'm gonna cut them like this. I think I should have these 2. Cut them to half more. Careful you don't cut your hand. This is a very easy recipe to make. The sausages, Chinese sausages, are California Sausage Inc. I think these are one of the best ones. The one that is California. I'm gonna cut them a little bit smaller. So we're gonna have that. And then for the second link, I'm just gonna cut it into 4 long slices. So just half it. And take a half and half that. There you go. Put that to the side. Alright. Now we're gonna cook it in the kitchen, twisted like the stir fry. I'm gonna put you guys over here. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Alright, first we're gonna do our bacon. We're gonna fry that up real nice like. After we cook the bacon is done, we can use the bacon grease and cook our cauliflower rice in it too. Our pan should be warm enough. We're gonna put in the bacon. Lower the heat, about medium. You know what? I actually got 5 pieces of bacon instead of 4. I thought it was 4, but no, it's 5. I need another sip of my water. Here's my water. It's not really water. It's special water, vodka. Okay. Backwood water though. Oh, thank you. That's good. This is really easy to make. How many ingredients? Cauliflower, rice, for the rice, bacon, Chinese sausages, main ingredient. I'm using green onions instead of onions because I like the onion taste, but green onions, the white part, is oniony, but it doesn't have as much carbs as regular onion. If you want regular onion, red onions have lower carbs than say sweet onions or yellow onions or white onions. Okay, so red onions, if you want onions, onion alternative, green onions. Got that? Got that? Yeah, boy. So here's the bacon, stirring, twisting or listen. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ever since I went on this keto low carb diet, I had to make my own food, you know? everywhere you go, you know, they put a bunch of little sugar and carbs and everything. So I had to make my own food, you know. And it took some adjusting to at first. So at the beginning, it took some getting used to, but I don't mind it because if I have bacon all the time, ribeye steak, shoulder, pork chops, pork belly, yeah, chicken thighs, you know what I'm saying, man? Yeah. So I did not mind it at all, dude. I did not mind it at all. To me, it's about done. I don't like it too crispy, but I just like it crispy enough. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna use this fat from the bacon, and we're gonna cook our cauliflower rice in it. Yeah. So get your garlic. That's four cloves of garlic right here. Throw it in. Look at it sizzling. It's pimping the sizzle. Get the aroma going, the smell of the garlic. Smells so good. And then we'll put in the whites of our green onion, the white part of our green onions. And then we throw in our cauliflower. There you go. There you go. One thing I forgot to do, we're gonna use 2 eggs. We're gonna scramble our eggs first, and then we're gonna put it in later. So make it look just like fried rice. Eggies! I need my eggies. Alright. We're gonna scramble up our eggs. Put our eggs into a mixer bowl or something like that. And we'll mix it up. And we're gonna put some of our green onions in it. The green part, throw it in there. Get some flavor in there. Get a good whisking. Let me get a pan. Heat up a frying pan for your egg. As you whisk away, I'll flavor this a little bit with some garlic powder, pepper. Just a little bit, not even a teaspoon each, like half a teaspoon. With my salt. Alright. Some oil spray. Oh yeah. Vegetable broth. This is going to make our cauliflower tender. A tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. There we go. Perfect. Alright, we can put our egg in now. Put it down the heat to medium. We want to cook this pretty thoroughly, so we're going to reduce vegetable broth and we just put it into our cauliflower. Let's take another shot so I can cool down. How about that? Gang. That is vodka. Oh, your mama. It's good for us to season our cauliflower now. And we're going to throw in the rest of our green onions in there too. Very, very, very easy seasoning. Soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Pepper, half a teaspoon. Garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. Black pepper, quarter teaspoon. Look at how it looks now. The eggs there. We're gonna flip the eggs right now. And okay, for our cauliflower, we can throw in our Chinese sausages. Toss it in there with it. It cooks very easy, so you don't have to worry about that. Eggs should be done. If you want to take a look at that, we're going to chop these up to slices. Cut it in half, flip it all on over, and chop and slice. So, put it on a cutting board like that. Let me bring you guys over here. Y'all put me over here. Like that. This is the way my mama used to make. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Cut this shit in half. There you go. Flip it on over. There you go. Cut it in half like that too. Flip it on over like that. What we do? It's kind of hot. It's kind of hot, just like you, girl. Slice up like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. And toss it in with your cauliflower rice. That's it. Put it in our bacon now. I'm gonna use the other pan that we just used for cooking the eggs, and I'm gonna cook the rest Chinese sausages. It's pretty much done. We turn off the fire now. It's all set. Pretty much it's done. I'm gonna bring you over here. Shit. And I cook up the sausage links. I'm just doing it to make it look pretty. You know what I mean? Pretty. Just like you, girl. Damn. Got the Vietnamese gang song in the background, the cafe song. Wow. Tell me this shit don't look ready. That's just fried rice, homie. That's the sausage, that Chinese sausage. Alright, I think the other sausage links are done right now. That, right there. Oh, how about like this? Ooh. Does that look pretty? I don't know. Tell me. Yeah, homeboy! Alright. This is bomb. The bacon grease, when you cook with the cauliflower, oh my gosh, so fucking tasteful. This one, trust me. You're down with the keto, your life is can't be much better, trust me. One, you get fucking skinnier and happier and beautifuler. Should always be happy anyways, but still, that's what you're gonna be. Yeah. Let's taste this out. Try this out. There are the Chinese sausages on there. See that? Yeah, this is good. The egg and bacon. I like my bacon not too crispy, just a little crisp. Bacon, eggs. Ngon quá. So good. I could have put some fish sauce onto the egg. That would have been better. It's okay. It's still great. Sausages are so rare. I'm gonna find a way to make the Chinese sausage so I don't put. So when I make it, I don't put sugar in it. I just use like a natural sweetener, so it'll be better for my taste, better for my keto diet, low carb diet. Well, this has been wonderful, guys. This, I made it on a whim. But I love fried rice, you know what I mean? I'm fucking Asian. I love fried rice. Fried rice is delicious. So I had to have a fried rice fixing. And before I went on a diet, like 4 or 5 months ago, I bought a bunch of freaking Chinese sausages just laying in there. Usually you eat it with rice, it's the only way it's good, you know? But then with this, oh my god, it's even better than fried rice. To me, it's better. Better. Wow. Oh, yeah, I got so much. Alright guys, take it easy. My name's Khan. This is Khan Eats. Cause I ate, or I am eating. And I love you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. You guys are beautiful. You guys are, especially you, girl. I want some of that. You know what I mean? But take it easy. Stay wonderful. Stay beautiful. Comment if you want to comment. Like, dislike. Subscribe if you want. Do anything you want to do. Hey, life's great. Do you. Cause I'm gonna do me.